Hello everybody!
Don't mind me for the bath.
Yeah, she's had a bath.
I'm coming her hair.
Looks good, doesn't she? New hairdo. I've got to do mine now.
You're going to have a bath.
Got to do mine now. Got cream in my head from my psoriasis, so I'm going to go. I'm going to do this. Little Christmas wishes to you all.
Get your words out.
Yeah, get my words out. I haven't had a drink yet. Well, I've had one. But that mean I'm drunk yet. But yes, our usual yearly Christmas message to you all. Just waiting for Kaya. She's doing something.
I'm finding Tina's. Oh, it's there.
Hopefully you can see us all okay. I've got my little light on as well because obviously it is dark. We are pushing time. It's 9 o'clock, so the kids need to get to bed as well.
Because it's Christmas Eve.
Yeah, so obviously we would have done the video a little bit sooner, but I've been that hectic today getting everything ready because we're actually going away tomorrow, which obviously you'll see this Christmas Day. So when you see this, obviously we'll be on our way. We're going to take yous with us because we're away to some families for 3 nights, but we're not going to film any of the family members. We'll film where we are. But anyway, what we want to do is thank you all so much for all the support, all the views, all the subscribers. Yeah, so all the subscribers, all the people that watch us, thank you all so much. We've had a good year on YouTube this year. Had a few obviously trips away, as you've seen. Had a lot of new subscribers. We're not far off that 1,000 mark now. So we're going to get there. I reckon this year coming, 2026 will be our year. But what I want to do is wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year. But we'll probably do a New Year. We'll probably do a New Year one anyway for you.
Yeah, Jen will be home.
Yeah, my mum will be home as well, so no doubt she'll be on camera wishing everyone Happy New Year. But it's Christmas.
Sorry for all headphone users.
So,
Anyone using headphones, I apologise.
So, we hope you all have a fantastic day, whether you're with your family, friends, close relative, anything, whatever you're doing. We really, really hope you enjoy this very special day. And I hope all the children, you got what you asked for from Santa.
Have you put your milk and mince pie and carrots out?
Yeah, they've got our
Harvey hasn't.
You know what, I know this is going out Christmas Day, which is tomorrow, because it's Christmas Eve we're filming this, but I'm trying to do a bit of both, because obviously I've got to make out it's Christmas Day on this vlog, but have you put yours out? We'll show you what we've got out. Where are yous there? Carrots, mince pie and milk. Get you back where we
I'm
was.
putting cookies out at my house.
So obviously it's Christmas Eve here, but this will be out first thing Christmas morning. So obviously it'll be probably 7-8 o'clock by the time you see this.
Or later because I might be watching it.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
I'm hoping you can see me alright, because everyone looks bright as anything, because the light's on them, and I'm over this way. I look them out, I can't see none of yous.
Andrew can't even stand up straight.
At least he's on the camera, because he's gone
Barely.
proper tall now as well.
He's not the same size as me.
I've had to actually tilt the camera up so he's in shot. So yeah, we've got Kaya here for a bit longer. She's going home soon.
Half 9.
So all in bed, ready for Santa. So anyway, I don't want to leave this to drag too long because it's just a quick little message to you all to say thank you very, very much.
Thank you.
For all the support you've given us this year, all the subscribers, all the views, and making new friends as well this year, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some very nice new friends as well. So, and last time, Merry Christmas everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Have a fantastic day. And if we don't see you beforehand,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And we will see you back here
Next
for,
year.
for 2026 for more adventures that are probably even better than you've already seen so far. Because we've got some plans to come. Don't know what just yet, but we are going to be getting out and about more, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll see you then.
Yeah,
So
hopefully.
we love you all. See you soon.
Bye.
So bye everybody.
Bye.
Bye.